Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a QR code for your Google Docs. If you want an easy way to share your document using a quick scan, we will guide you step by step on how to turn a shareable link into a QR code using free tools from Google. Now, let's get started. In your Google Drive dashboard, open the document you want to share. As you can see, we have a Google Docs file ready to go. The first thing we need to do is open the file, then click Share and Share again. Here, we will change the general access to anyone with the link. Make sure to set it to anyone with the link so the QR code generator can access the document. Once that's done, click Copy Link, then click Done. Now, we need to open a new tab and go to qrstuff.com. Once we're there, click on URL, then paste the link we just copied and generate the QR code. Here, we can style it by adding shapes, colors, gradients, and even artwork. Once we're happy with the design, click Setup, then click Download. We can choose the file type we need, PDF, SVG, PNG, or JPEG, depending on our preference. Let's choose PNG. As you can see, it is now ready. When we check it on the computer, here is our QR code. We can scan it to verify it works, and that's it. We now have a QR code for our Google Docs, making it fast and easy to share with anyone. Just scan, open, and access instantly.